Namaste everyone. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete solution for your neck pain. Whether neck pain due to cervical spondylitis or some stiffness in the neck or any kind of injury, pain in the neck, use these therapy which I'm going to tell in this video. I'm going to give you 3 yoga stretches which you can do on daily basis to keep your neck healthy. And along with that, I'm going to give you miraculous acupressure therapy which will take away your neck pain in just 5 minutes. And I'm going to give you one mudra to practice every day for your neck pain or cervical spondylitis. So let me start this video with the neck stretches. So for the first neck stretch, how to do it? You can either sit on the chair or on the floor, cross leg. Form some mudra in the hand. So I will suggest you to form this mudra which I have already explained in this video. So form this mudra in your hand and slowly with inhalation stretch your head up and touch your tongue to the roof of the mouth and hold this position with normal breathing. Hold up to 10 to 15 seconds in this position and slowly with exhalation, breathing out, come back up to the center. Make sure you don't drop the chin down because entire day we are dropping the chin down. So at least doing the yoga stretches, we avoid dropping the chin down. You can repeat 2 more times same, where you inhale, stretch your head up, touch your tongue to the roof of the mouth and hold for 10 seconds. And come back with slow and continuous exhalation. One more round where you inhale, touch your tongue to the roof of the mouth and hold for 10 to 15 seconds, touching the tongue up. Exhale slowly and continuously. Second neck stretch, where you rotate your head towards the right shoulder. Try to rotate completely as if you want to look back at the right and hold this position with normal breath and feel the stretch opposite side of the neck, which is left side. Hold 10 to 15 seconds, then inhale and with slow and continuous exhalation through the nose, you're coming to the left shoulder and hold here for a while with normal breathing. Hold 10 to 15 seconds this stretch, then inhale and with very slow exhalation, slow and continuous exhalation, you just bring your head towards the right shoulder. Same way, hold here 10 to 15 seconds with normal breathing, then inhale and slowly rotate your neck towards the left shoulder and hold it for a while and release, bring it to the center. Now third neck stretch, where you drop your right ear to the right shoulder completely and feeling the stretch at the opposite side. Hold. When you're holding it, try to keep a smile on your face. Feel the beautiful stretch at the left side. Now inhale and with very slow and continuous exhalation, you reach to the left shoulder. Press it maximum and hold. Now again inhale and exhale, slow and continuous exhalation. Press your right ear to the right shoulder. Be there. Last round, you inhale and with continuous exhalation you reach to the left and hold. And slowly bring your head back to the center. Relax for a while after completing. Now last and fourth neck stretch, which is very beneficial for your neck. Drop your right ear to the right shoulder and start rotating your head back sides very slowly with continuous exhalation. and you reach to the left shoulder and hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Then inhale, and with exhalation start rotating your head back side with continuous exhalation through your nose. You can be as slow as you can. Slow movement is very effective for the neck pain. Hold, then again very slowly. If you feel pain any side, then do that side very slowly and don't do the deeper stretch that particular side. And release. Suppose if you're getting pain dropping at the right shoulder, then you do opposite side more, and this side you do only this much. Don't go more deeper, but opposite side you can drop nicely and you feel lot of relaxation in that particular area. So try these 4 neck stretches along with acupressure therapy and mudra therapy. Now let me talk about acupressure point. So there is a very effective acupressure therapy. As per the Sujok acupressure, we have a neck point in the back side of our thumb in this area. So I'm going to mark it and show you the neck area. So if you see, I have marked it in this hand. So if you are having pain in the left side, you try to use your left hand thumb. If you're having pain at the right side of the neck more, you try to use this right hand. But if pain is equally spreaded on the neck back side, and if you're a male, then use your left hand. If you're a female, use your right hand. As per the acupressure therapy, if you're a female, then you use your right hand. If you're a male, you use your left hand. If the problem is chronic and too much, you can do it on your both the hands. So in this area, as I told you, this is the neck area, and within 1 minute massaging on this area, you can release your pain. So how to do it? You take some oil in the hand, which could be mustard oil, sesame oil or coconut oil, any kind of oil you take in your hand, and massage this thumb like this. For a minute, with the timer you can do for a minute or two, you can massage, but make sure you're not twisting very hard. You're not doing the twisting at the bone level, you're doing at the skin level. So it shouldn't break your thumb. So just do it nicely, softly massaging this thumb area with the help of any oil. Preferably use sesame oil or mustard oil. It's very good for any kind of pain. So I have already shared the recipe of the painkiller oil, where you put some fenugreek seeds in the oil and allow these seeds to be there in the base of the bottle all the time in that oil soaked, so it releases the essence, because fenugreek seed has anti-inflammatory properties. So if any inflammation in that area, it will be taken care by that particular oil. After massaging 2 minutes, you will instantly feel the relief in your neck area, and you can do in both the hands. If problem is chronic and you have too much pain, you can do it in both the hands, same way, 2 minutes. Another thing, there is an acupressure ring available in the market. We call it acupressure ring. So this is a miraculous ring, wonder ring. So you can take this ring on your thumb and massage the base of the thumb, especially this part with the help of the ring, 1 to 2 minutes. Make sure you put some oil before using the ring. Same ring massage, you can do it in this hand also. After massaging 1 to 2 minutes, you need to take this ring on your index finger upper area, upper joint. So try to do the massage of your ring finger upper joint, this first joint which you can see. So you can massage on this area also by using this ring, 1 to 2 minutes. Also, whenever we do any acupressure therapy, it is very important to keep your energy positive and the smile on the face. So while doing this process, you can just smile, and you can always say in your mind, I'm releasing the pain, I'm releasing the pain, I'm releasing my pain. Like this you can repeat in your mind while doing the massage with the ring. If you don't have this ring and you want to do the massage of that particular point, I showed you, you can do this way. Also you can take the oil and massage this way. You see, this way. Massage 1 to 2 minutes by doing the finger like this, holding like this on both the side and massage this way. You can do it in both the hands, both the thumbs. If problem is left side, do more on the left hand thumb. After doing this massage, you can take the tape, which is a paper tape. We call it micropore tape also. Easily you can get it from the pharmacy shop. So you just take a piece of this tape and put some fenugreek seeds. So fenugreek seeds are like this. Put some fenugreek seeds on the tape like this, and then you just cover this part. Especially when you are pressing, try to press everywhere on the thumb. If you feel pain is more here, you put the fenugreek seed in that particular area more, or you can just take the fenugreek seed and put it in entire area, cover this area nicely. Like this, you put the fenugreek seeds in the painful area and keep it for 4 to 5 hours. This is a seed therapy which works like a wonder for the neck pain. And if you have a chronic neck pain, you can continue this therapy up to 3 months and you will get permanent relief in this particular neck pain, along with the yoga stretches for the neck and the mudra, which I'm going to tell you next in this video only. After taping in both the thumbs or one thumb, you keep the seeds 4 to 5 hours. It is a seed therapy. In seed therapy, what happens, the seed which has a power to create a big tree. That means that seed has a lot of life force, life energy, and this seed will transfer that life energy to that particular painful point, and you will have lot of relief after doing this seed therapy. So for the neck pain, I'm going to tell you 2 mudras here. First is this mudra. This is we call Vayu Mudra, as mostly any kind of joint pain, any kind of bony pain is because of excess air in the system. So this reduces the excess air or vata from the body or from the joints. So you can do this Vayu Mudra in both the hands, touching the tip of the index finger to the base of the thumb and pressing it. Same way in other hand. Form this mudra in both the hands, keep it on your knees in the cross-leg position, and you can also practice this mudra sitting on the chair 15 to 20 minutes every day, or if you're doing some yoga breathing or meditation on daily basis, you can combine this mudra along with those practices. So our next mudra is Shankha Mudra. How to practice that mudra? You need to take your left hand thumb up and 4 fingers of your right hand holding the thumb like this, and you just join your tip of the right hand thumb to the middle finger of the left hand and hold like this. You can hold it at your heart center. You can practice 5 to 10 minutes this mudra every day. This will give you lot of relief instantly in the neck pain. And not only neck pain, if you're suffering with some thyroid imbalance, hyper or hypothyroidism, you will get relief in that also, because this is a very, very good mudra for thyroid imbalance. So any kind of imbalance in the thyroid also, you will get relief with this mudra. So practice 5 to 10 minutes this mudra every day along with the Vayu Mudra in your hand. And make sure you practice these mudra empty stomach, because if you are combining with some yogic practices like deep breathing practices or some meditations, then preferably you do it empty stomach. So do practice these 3 practices where I have showed neck stretches, yogic neck stretches for the neck, and also the acupressure therapy and mudra therapy. If you combine these 3 therapies together on day-to-day basis for your neck pain, any kind of neck pain you will release within 2 to 3 days completely. If you want permanent relief, continue this therapy for a month or 2 months or 3 months until you get complete relief from this problem. So Try this therapy, and if you want to learn acupressure therapy from me, I have made a course of 3 days where you learn to cure many diseases at home. You can be the self healer for yourself and your family. You also, I have a 3 days mudra therapy course available where I'm teaching lot of mudras, how mudra therapy works, and how many mudras are there, how mudra therapy works, and therapeutic mudras for each and every ailment. So if you want to buy this course, I have updated the information in the description box. Do check it out and let me know in the comment box if you're looking for any other video on any other topic, then I will make that video for you. Thank you everyone.